Let's talk about Laminato. Laminato is probably the most unusual product that we make here in our Melbourne manufacturing plant. It's a combination of high quality timber veneers pressed onto a phenolic or kraft paper back, or if you want to call it, to a laminate backing. It's quite a unique product, and we believe we're the only people in this country who produce it. We often see Laminato being used in commercial and domestic interiors, wall and door panelling, or particularly for resurfacing existing cabinets, joinery or doors. The flexible nature of the product also makes it a great choice to use in curved sections, curved walls or columns. So what I'm holding here is some samples of our Laminato range. Our stock range of veneers includes about 13 different species, but we can make it to order with almost any commercially available veneer. We make it as a panel that finishes about 1 mil in thickness, that then our customers take and laminate directly onto either an existing surface or a plywood particle board or MDF panel.